Hey, it's Amanda here again, and today I'm going to show you how to eat these. Now, for those of you who who wants to get in on the action as well, for those of you who don't know what they are, they're called, well, we call them in Jamaica, we call them Guinep, and in Barbados they call them Ackee. These particular ones, they grow on a tree. Not these, just these particular ones. So they grow on a tree, and in bunches like that. And we've got a tree quite near to us, but these, I brought them from the guy on the side of the road. I've got some seeds in my mouth I'm going to get rid of. Okay, so they have a seed like this, and they're covered in flesh that you suck off the seed. So let's just pick one off. So basically what you do, so I've washed these, what you do is you crack it open. I say crack it open, but they're not like really hard, but it's quite firm. So you do that with your teeth, and you get a little crack in it like that, and with one hand I just peel off the top. So that's what you're left with, and you just suck that out. So when you suck that out, all of this is what you're going to suck off the seed. Now this has come off quite easily, and I think it's because they're smaller than you would normally get them. I think they would grow. The ones I had last week were a lot bigger, and it was a lot harder to take them off the seed. But basically, that's it. We'll do another one. You can. Okay, so I normally just. So you just crack into them. Obviously, you would be doing it with two hands. Obviously. And that one's quite full, I would say. It's coming off quite easy. And what you might have to do with it still in your mouth is take the rest of the pulp off with your teeth. Just like that. And then you discard the seed. So I will put it in your composting. Or if, like me, you would like to grow them. And in doing my research, I found that to grow them, you don't stick them in the ground like that. You have to plant them sideways, and the shoot and the root comes out of the same end. So you plant them sideways. And I think that's probably the same for quite a lot of other like fruits like these. They're these Bayesian plums. They're yellow, but they're really delicious. And I'm thinking that for those you have to plant them sideways as well. Anyway, so that's how you eat Guinep or Ackee. I mean, in Jamaica we have another food called Ackees. But I know in a few other Caribbean countries they call these Ackees as well. Anyway, so I hope you've enjoyed that. Please do leave a comment. Let me know what you think of. I call them Guinea because that's what I grew up knowing them as. Let me know what you think of Guinea. If you've had it, if you want to try it, come to Barbados or go to Jamaica. All right, take care for now. Please do like and subscribe if this is your first time here. Take care.